Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to customize keybinds in System Shock 2. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the options. Then we're going to go to controls, so the control tab, and then we're going to select keyboard bindings. So click on that, and here you have all of the keybinds that you can change in the game. So you're going to select the keybind that you want to change. For example, I'm going to do the next weapon keybind. So currently I have it set to scroll wheel up. So I just click on this icon right here, and then I'm going to press the key that I want to change the keybind to. So for example, I want to change it from scroll up to, let's say, like keypad 8. So as you can see, I can add different keybinds, but if I want to just clear all of the keybinds from here and just add one, I press again and press delete. So here, as you can see, it has been deleted. So I'm going to click again, and I'm going to add another key. So for example, keypad 3. And if you want to revert the options that you have done, so if you don't actually like that keybind, you can just press backspace, and it will be reset to its previous keybind. So that's about it. Once you've selected all the keybinds that you want, you can just exit out the settings, and your options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.